Hi, today we're going to go over our Rehoot function. The Rehoot function at HootBoard allows you to share hoots between different boards that you have access to, whether that be as a follower, a poster, or an admin. So let's take a look at how we can do that. I'm on one of our pages now, and I want to share this article here about things to do in Elizabeth, New Jersey with another one of the boards that I have access to. I want to basically increase the knowledge and let more people have access to seeing this information. Down here, we're going to have three options. This first one is going to be our Rehoot function. Now we can either click Rehoot here, which will bring up our Rehoot options, or if we select a post, it is then going to be right up top here next to Add to Favorites. So I'm going to go ahead and click that Rehoot function. I'm going to select what board I want to send it to. For this, I'm going to send it to my test board. In this, I can also select which collection that I'd like to send it to. We spoke about collections in a previous video. Collections are basically hashtags that allow you to filter out your hoots so that they're more easily organized on your platform. I'm going to go here, and this is specifically a Things to Do in Elizabeth, New Jersey post, so I'm going to post it to our Things to Do collection. I'm going to click Rehoot. We get a success message. Close out of this. So now what I'm going to do is actually go to that other test board, and we can see here that our post has loaded onto this board. It's a very simple function, but also very powerful. Thank you for watching.